Hey guys, do you want to know how to make $750 a week as a student and all you need is your laptop? You don't need any experience and you don't need any startup money? Well, keep watching. And keep watching all the way to the end to see the math of how this can be done. First, go to Etsy. Then type in men's chains. And then you'll see a bunch of nice chains for men. Check this one out though for $13.99. See, it's a nice men's chain, $13.99, has 1,827 sales and almost 5-star reviews. Now what you're gonna do is you're going to contact the Etsy seller and you're gonna ask them for permission to drop ship their item. They're likely gonna say yes because it's just gonna be more business for them. But you wanna have this partnership lined up before you even start. Then go to Facebook Marketplace. Hit create new listing. Then hit item for sale. And then what you're going to do, again, with the permission and with the partnership of the Etsy shop owner, is you're going to sell the chain on Facebook Marketplace. List it using the pictures that the Etsy shop owner provides for you, a nice description, and then list and say that you're going to be shipping the item for sale. Facebook Marketplace now allows businesses to sell and ship their items off of the platform. So there's nothing illegal or nothing wrong with doing this. Now you saw it in the Etsy shop for $13.99. You're going to list it for $29.99 or $30. That'll give you roughly $16 profit per unit. And once you get an order on Facebook Marketplace, you're going to then go and fulfill the order on Etsy using the Facebook buyer's shipping information. And because you're working in partnership with the Etsy seller, if there's any issues with returns or if you don't want there to be an invoice or label within the box, you can just express that to them. It's very reasonable to be able to make 50 sales a week. And if you make 50 sales a week, let's check out the math. If you made 50 sales a week at the $30 price figure, it would be $800 a week. And you can scale. You can contact more Etsy sellers and add more products to your Facebook Marketplace shop. Follow me for more money making tips.